take everyone in turn. So each of you just ask questions and then the team can answer. So we'll go around the table. Thanks.
Hello, thank you very much, Chair. Good morning to everyone. Now, I'm puzzled at a point where Road Accident Fund says only if the lawyer issues summons. And I get an accident somewhere in Ngutu. I'm not working. I go to the nearest office, I submit everything. I'm told it is correct. I don't get a response. So I don't have access to lawyers. How am I issuing summons to fight that my claim is not being processed? This is the number of our problem. So this thing of summons is just flagged as if all of us have access to lawyers to issue summons. We don't. I just want that. Thank you.
Thank you.